Hello, Ma'am Panji. I'm YouTube vlogger Charlie Pinto. I was a world and Philippine history teacher. Since 2010, my passion is traveling. I've been in some Asian countries and 81 provinces from Cagayan Valley to Sulu and Tawi-Tawi. Several times ko na napuntahan ang karamihang lalawigan ng Pilipinas. Mas enjoy kong barko ang sasakyan ko, lalo kong tugo. Magkaroon ka ng bagong kakilala. Tara na, join me to my travel and tourism vlogs. Channel, subscribe, like, and comment. Charlie Pinto from Bigan City, Ilocos Sur. Salamat po. Yaman.
Assistant Secretary Silenti Boroco of the Office of the Secretary.
Assistant Secretary Georgina Ariang from the Office of the Secretary.
Under Secretary Gina Cono for Curriculum and Teaching.
Under Secretary Hadir Natukay of Curriculum and Teaching.
Under Assistant Secretary Jocelyn Andaya for Operations of Learning Delivery.
Delegates from each participating region. We start out with our first regional delegation. Ladies and gentlemen, we proudly welcome the official delegates from the nation's
The Central National High School is the way for the formidable contingent of NCR.
Led by their skilled education leaders and composed of dynamic campus journalists and gifted young artists, truly the finest of the Metro. NCR consists of the following schools, ladies and gentlemen.
The National Capital Region. Metro Manila, the center of everything. history, business, politics, showbiz, at syempre, street food galore. Isaw, kwek-kwek fishballs, lahat nasa kantor, Lea Salonga. The official delegates from the rich heritage of the Highlands. Naragsak ay panagbisita yung Ilocos Sur, Cordillera Administrative Region. Let us extend a heartfelt welcome to the proud delegates of the Cordillera Administrative Region, led by Regional Director Estela L. Carino and Assistant Regional.
Thank you. Acting with honor and pride are the school's division officials, dedicated coaches and advisors, and the talented learners and contestants from the Highlands.
Administrative Region is a breathtaking highland zone, renowned for its cool climate, rich in
Our warmest welcome to this vibrant and full of spirit delegates. Maayong pag-abot sa Ilocos Sur, Region 6, Western Assistant Regional Director Miguel Mac D. Aposi.
and setting the festive tone for Region 6. Here come the dancers of Santa Maria National High School. Once again, Region 6, Western Visayas!
Region 6 is composed of Bacolod City,
SDO Bacolod City,
SDO Pasay City,
SDO Rojas City,
SDO Salay City,
SDO Silay City,
SDO Sitalay City,
SDO Talisay City,
SDO Victoria Bago City.
and SDO Rising from the 14th Valley of the North.
Bigat eh.
SEO Cagayan, SEO Nueva Vizcaya, SEO Camayan City, SEO Santiago City. Prime is an agricultural haven, producing wine, corn, and tomato in abundance. It is also home to majestic caves, rivers, and the enchanting Palawi Island.
Once again, Region 2.
The dancers of Luzon National High School. Boom with pride.
Participants from Calabarzon. Hey!
Oro City.
SEO Bacoor City.
SEO Batangas City.
SEO Ligas City.
SEO Tabuyao City.
SEO Calabarzon City.
SEO Cavite City. SEO General Trias City.
SEO Iloilo City.
SEO Lipa City.
SEO Lucena City.
SEO San Pablo City.
Once again, Region 3. Central. SEO Oras.
SEO Bataan.
SEO Bulacan.
SEO Nueva Ecija.
SEO Pampanga.
SEO Carlos.
SEO Zamboanga. Once again, Region 3. And one and
Bringing intelligence and energy. The dancers of Sunny Step.
our regional representation.
City.
SEO ICC.
And SEO Toledo City.
Once again, Region 7.
Central Visayas.